In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download bulk invoices in Zoho Books. This tutorial will walk you through the simple steps to gather and download multiple invoices at once, which can be incredibly handy for managing your records efficiently. Whether you're a business owner or an accounting professional, retrieving bulk invoices can significantly streamline your processes, saving you valuable time and effort. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section within Zoho Books. From there, look for the Invoices tab. This is where all your invoicing data is organized. Once you've accessed the Invoices section, it's time to locate the specific invoices you need to download. Zoho Books provides a couple of ways to accomplish this. You can utilize the search bar to quickly look up specific invoices, or use the advanced search option to apply filters. These filters allow you to narrow down your invoice list based on various criteria, such as date range, customer name, or invoice status. This is extremely useful if you have a large database of invoices and are looking for only a select few. After you've set your filters and found the invoices you need, it's time to select them. You can do this by clicking the checkbox next to each desired invoice. If there are numerous invoices in your selection and they all fit into your criteria, you don't have to click each one individually. Instead, there's a convenient checkbox located at the top of the list that selects all visible invoices on the page at once, making the process much quicker. With your invoices selected, your next step is to head to the top of the page and click on the PDF icon. This action will initiate the download process. Zoho Books will compile your chosen invoices into a zip file, which can then be downloaded directly to your computer. But here's a key detail to remember. This method has a cap. You're able to download a maximum of 100 invoices at a time. So, if you have a larger batch, you may need to repeat the process a few times, selecting up to 100 invoices per lot until you've got everything you need. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to downloading bulk invoices from Zoho Books. This feature is an excellent tool for consolidating your invoicing data, helping you keep your financial documents organized without unnecessary hassle. Remember, efficient management of your invoices not only helps you save time, but also ensures you maintain a strong handle on your financial transactions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most of Zoho Books and other essential business tools.